Alright folks, doing a follow-up video from a post I did a few days back, or a video I recorded like back in 2022 regarding the Betafpv ELRS Lite antenna and how to remove the flat antenna portion of it because the reception is pretty crappy on it. There was a post on Facebook that said from and I apologize if I butchered the name, but I'm guessing it's from Nikok, this one right here. It says that the top red part is conductive. Just touch it with a soldering iron and it melts off the soldering underneath it. I'm gonna give that a try. For some reason I have a feeling I may have done that before, but it was unsuccessful in doing it. But we'll give it another go today. This is an ELRS Lite receiver that I won off a scavenger hunt a few months back, brand new, so I don't feel so bad if I screw this one up. So again, what we're talking about here is the flat red antenna on the top here. Has pretty bad range, I find anyways. There were some posts that said that there were new revisions of it that were better. I believe I did have a version, I don't even see that, version 1.1. I believe the one that I modded to was also version 1.1 and it sucked too. So I'm not sure what that information is about, but we will try to remove this antenna with an iron on top and see if that post is accurate. So I apologize that my workbench is really dirty. I know some people's are going to be really dirty like mine or really tidy like others. Mine is really messy, and my fume extractor is quite noisy, so hopefully the mic will be able to pick my voice up despite the fan noise. So I warmed up to 320 and I am going to try heating up the antenna and see if that actually will remove it. So this part right here is the active pad, this right here was the ground. I don't know if this is enough. I may need something like a chisel, what do you call it? A chisel type iron to do this, but we'll just give this a shot and see. Oh, what do you know? That really does come out quite easily. Nice tip. That is a lot easier than using the snips and ripping off the pad. So all you have to do now is solder the antenna wire on this and you're good to go. Cool. I approve of that tip. Thank you very much, Nikon.